Okay, I started recording also. So see, what we were discussing is comment, right? So I'm telling this is the topic which we discussed like few days ago. So I'm putting this in comment, telling that what is string. I like what I wrote. String is a collection of characters. What are characters means letters, numbers, and symbols. I'm telling that hash as a comment because to better understand, if I don't use like see, if I don't use this comment here, see, if I the originally it was like this, right? If I remove the comment here, what will it be? Just name one equal to Rakshita, name two equal to that, and name three equal to hi, this is Siri. And it just tells that double quotations, single quotes, and multi-line quote. That if I know these quotations, I'm understanding what we wrote. What if I don't know the quotations and everything? I'll just think, okay, maybe they just wrote the variable and they just printed the string values here. I'll think, right? So the comment where it plays the main role is to better understand the code. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are data types? What data types we have?
Ma'am, 4 or 5 unit data types. First one is number, second one is sequence, and third one is tuples, uh, tuples ಮತ್ತೆ mapping.
Mapping. Okay. Tuple list will be under sequence data type.
Yes.
uh, Boolean, you missed Boolean actually. Boolean is nothing but we'll tell true or false. In number, we have int, float data types. What is float data type, Rakshita?
Decimals, ma'am.
What is the float data type?
Decimals.
Decimal.
It
Okay,
is.
very good. So in text data type, we have only strings. In numerical, we have int, float. In sequence, we have list, tuple. In mapping, we have dictionaries. In Boolean, we have like, okay, Boolean is nothing but true or false will tell. So these are the data types in Python, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I wanted to, can I store these data types in variables? You guys understood the question. So I'm
Yes.
just writing here the string and storing it in a variable, right? Name one. So can I do that? Can I store like string or integer, float, dictionary, anything? Can I store it in a variable? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. And now, what is a string?
String is a collection of characters, uh, letters, symbols, and numbers, ma'am.
Okay, so can I take space as a character and
Yes,
why?
ma'am.
Why?
It is a symbol. We consider it as symbol.
Okay, good. what topics we discuss more? Okay, so what is the syntax for string slicing?
Start index, end index, and step.
Step.
That's
So what is the what is the main usage for the step we do there?
Like jumping the like numbers or variables, ma'am. Skipping.
Skipping. Okay. So in step we do is we jump the value. Let me show that. This is strings. See, the start index we already discussed. Nothing but the see if we take the example programming here, it starts from 0, right? So that will be the starting index. And the end index is nothing but the ending here. The step jump value. Jump value is what we have discussed previously is like if I tell jump to, what is happening if I mention jump to? What is happening if I tell jump to? The step two, I mean step two.
Uh, like we will be like jumping the two values, ma'am.
jumping of one value, maybe.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನು consider like if we take programming means we'll jump P and R. Sorry, one character.
Here, what it is
After
happening in this example?
one value will jump up.
Why it is jumping one value in between? Because we mentioned step two, right? Originally,
Yes, ma'am.
this will be the output. Akshita will be the output here. But since we mentioned jump to, it will be jumping the second value here, right? And the final
Yes.
output will be this. Correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, no? If like any doubt, I'll explain the same topic again. It's fine. Like we can discuss today also. We have like plenty of time to discuss topics. So it's fine. If any doubt, so let me know. I can explain it again with different examples or the same example, anything.
The data types, like I think I was not in the first class.
Data types. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
That's fine. I'll explain it today also. Data types, I'll explain it. So you're like you both are okay with the concept called string slicing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So okay, what is string concatenation?
Ma'am, the joining the two strings.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I want space in between, how will I be writing?
Ma'am, use the double quote on space, double quote, like
Yeah, yes. Good. Um, Now, Rakshita, I want to
Yes, ma'am.
print the uh, all my. I gave a variable called. See here, example. I've taken the same example. Name equal to Akshita. So the name I wrote here is in uppercase. If you see, I want
Hmm.
all the letters in all that in lowercase. What will I use? What function will I use to write it in lowercase?
We'll use like lower case, ma'am.
Lower?
Lower case.
Yes, ma. What is the function we use?
Lower function. Lower function use my
Lower function will be using. Here we'll be writing like print
name.
Is this correct?
Ma'am, not correct, ma'am. This is a first name dot lower and this right a two brackets.
We'll write print name dot lower.
Lower, open the bracket. Oh,
Correct.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. Let me copy the output also. Okay. Correct, right? Now understood. If I want to write it in upper,
Instead of lower, like we need to use upper.
print name dot
Upper. Open and
and
close
then the
bracket.
output will be all caps, all uppercase. Like what is an operator? What are operators? Or else like what operators we know in Python? We already discussed this.
Operators is a arithmetic function. Use arithmetic function. Example: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Right?
Okay. Which you told us like arithmetic operators. That's correct. Okay, I understood. Like arithmetic operators are nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, reminder, etc. Today we'll discuss those arithmetic operators. But now the question is, what are operators in Python? Okay, let me explain. Operators are nothing but they are just some special symbols that are used to perform operations on values or variables. See, just now you told add, subtraction, and everything. So addition, that is something, an operation we are doing to add two numbers, or like the values of variables or something regarding it, right? In concatenation, just take concatenation. What we are doing in concatenation, we are joining like two strings together. What symbol we are using to join two strings? Plus symbol. So operators are nothing but there are some special symbols that are used to perform operations on values or variables. Operators are nothing but a special symbol what is it performing? Operations on values or variables.
Where?
So let's take just an example to better understand what are operators. So as we just now discussed, the special symbol, let's take plus symbol, addition. Now I'm just taking A plus B equal to, I'm telling it is C. So in variable A, I'll take variables now. In variable A, I put some value like A equal to 5 and B equal to 10, and I'm telling you to store it in C, and I'm telling you to print the C value. Now what is here happening? The special symbol plus symbol that are used to perform operations. Some operation is happening, right? Addition or subtraction or something, the operation is happening here on values of variables. If we don't take variables here, just we'll tell C equal to 5 plus 10, print C, it will be 15, we know the answer. But the value, just adding up the value, or else variables, we are taking variables as A, B, C. We have three variables here, A, B, C, and we are printing the output in C. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay. So previously, as Rakshita missed the data types class, let me quickly explain like what are data types and things. So, uh, so now in data types we have, sorry, numeric, text, mapping, and the other is sequence. Okay. So now in numeric, if I'm telling C, I'm telling here int input something, I'll tell enter a value. Why am I mentioning here as integer?
Numbers is also the integer. Numbers is integer.
What if I mention here as float?
Float use ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sometimes float is used.
Yeah.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
So
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿವಿಷನ್.
so in numeric we have integer, float. But what happening here is I previously mentioned it as 5. 5 is nothing but integer, we know. What if I mention 5.0? Then it will go under which data type? It will be which data type? The output will be which data type? This is now in float. This is in integer. We previously discussed in one of the problem the same example. So the output will be printed in float. Am I correct?
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So if I print here the float data type, the final output will be in float, because since we are mentioning some decimal value here, if I don't mention 0 or if I mention 1, but it will also be in float only. If I mention 0 also, it will be in float only. So in numeric, we have integer, float. In text, as we previously discussed, we have string. In mapping, we have dictionaries. In sequence, we have list, tuple. In Boolean, we have Boolean is a data type. We'll tell it by true, false. Now understood. We'll discuss dictionaries, list, tuple, sets, Boolean in like further classes. Now we'll mainly focus on numeric is nothing but int data type, float data type, and string data types. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So now let's go to operators now. As we previously discussed few problems, and also yesterday you both have written the codes on a few other problems like which relates or comparing similar to arithmetic operators, like I myself telling addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, the remainder, quotient, and few other. So now I'm asking the same question for you both. What are arithmetic operators? What are arithmetic operators? I've told the answer.
Multiplication, subtraction, division.
Okay. What else are there in arithmetic operations?
Average, percentage.
Let's discuss arithmetic operators. One we have addition, two subtraction, three multiplication, four division, five. For reminder, we'll tell it as modulus is nothing but reminder. Six power, seven. What else we missed here? Floor division. We discussed floor division in one of the problem. I still remember explaining the same problem to you guys. So again, we'll discuss with other examples. So addition, we know the symbol. Subtraction, multiplication, division. For reminder, what is the symbol? For reminder, what will be the symbol?
ಡಿವಿಷನಲ್ ಬಳಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಸತಿ ಬಳಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು.
Hello, yeah. For division, we have only one. Like, sorry, here we put slash. For floor division, as we previously discussed, we have this symbol. For power, I'm telling the symbol is this. We'll go with other examples when we are discussing this, so it will be easier. For modulus, we previously discussed the symbol will be percentage for the reminder. You guys remember we discussing about the reminder and the floor division? Yes, no, maybe.
Remembering, but like problems, like word is remembered.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. So these are the arithmetic operators. Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. So as the meeting already getting ended so fastly, let's join again to the same link and we'll discuss with examples for the arithmetic operators. So it will be easier to remember and in further we can discuss other operators also. We have few other operators. We'll discuss those also. So now I'm stopping the recording. Let me